Hi everyone, I am Maria Irene, and over the last 3 years, I have produced more than 500 videos in the crypto space. I have covered everything from Solana to Ethereum to Avalanche, but I have to say I'm most positive about ICP, the Internet Computer Protocol. And I'm not just saying that because of the technology, but because of the people behind it. There is something different here. Even when it's a meme project, there's an intriguing narrative, a story that's unfolding. You don't find this in other ecosystems, which is why I feel optimistic about ICP. This community is like no other, and I truly believe that if we stick together and contribute in our own way, we can decentralize the future of the internet and AI. These past few days have been particularly inspiring, especially with what I saw coming out of Argentina. Let me take you through the key points from the tech forum in Buenos Aires, where Dominic Williams, the founder of Definity and the creator of ICP, delivered a keynote that was refreshingly different from the usual hype-driven tech speeches. Instead of flashy buzzwords or headline-grabbing promises, he focused on the incremental, behind-the-scenes advancements that are quietly transforming the industry. One of the standout ideas from his talk was the shift towards simplicity in software development. Dom's pointed out that developers today are moving away from bloated, overly complex systems and embracing a back-to-basics approach. Why? Because simplicity means efficiency. Simpler code isn't just easier to maintain. It's faster, more secure, and ultimately better for everyone involved, whether it's the developers building it, the businesses using it, or the everyday users like you and me. These small improvements might seem insignificant on the surface, but they are making a massive impact on the digital landscape. Dom also touched on something that's often overlooked: the power of open source collaboration. It's no secret that open source projects are a breeding ground for innovation, and according to him, this is particularly true in enterprise software. By harnessing the collective brain power of global developers, companies are finding faster, more flexible solutions to their challenges. This collaboration isn't just about saving time and money. It's about creating tools that can adapt to an ever-evolving tech environment. But it wasn't all technical. Dom's got into some of the more pressing issues that the tech industry faces today, particularly around data privacy and ethics. As we all know, the concerns around data collection and usage are growing. And the good news is the companies are starting to take notice. According to Dom, transparency and user control are becoming foundational to the future of tech. Firms are no longer ignoring these issues. They are actively investing in privacy and security measures. In his view, the future of technology isn't just about new products, it's about trust. Trust between companies and users, and trust in the systems we rely on every day. Of course, no conversation about the future of tech would be complete without mentioning social media. Dom didn't hold back when discussing platforms like Twitter and TikTok. We are all aware of the challenges: misinformation, algorithm bias, data misuse. It's a minefield. But Dom is hopeful. He pointed out that we are already seeing these platforms take steps to fix their issues. Whether it's by redesigning user interfaces to promote healthier online interactions or by giving users more control over their data, change is happening. And as global regulatory frameworks tighten, social media platforms will have to keep adapting. One of the most exciting parts of Dom's speech for me was when he addressed sustainability. The tech industry isn't exactly known for its environmental friendliness, but that's starting to change. From energy-efficient data centers to biodegradable phone cases, companies are finally recognizing their ecological impact. It's not the most glamorous aspect of tech, but it's arguably one of the most important. As Dom's put it, we need to focus on sustainability if we want this industry to be around for the long haul. Now let's talk about AI. While many people see artificial intelligence as a disruptive force, Dom sees it as an enabler, something that can enhance efficiency across a variety of sectors. From healthcare diagnostics to customer service chatbots, AI is already making a difference behind the scenes. It's not about replacing human jobs. It's about making existing systems better, more efficient, and more personalized. He also touched on quantum computing, a field that's still in its infancy but holds immense promise. Whether it's for cryptography, drug discovery, or financial modeling, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize industries. Though we are still a few years away from widespread adoption, the groundwork is being laid right now. Education is another crucial aspect that Dom's highlighted. The tech industry is evolving at breakneck speed and the workforce needs to keep up. There is a growing skills gap, but initiatives like coding boot camps and online learning platforms are helping bridge that divide. He also pointed out that the rise of no-code and low-code platforms, which allow people without technical backgrounds to develop software applications. This shift is opening up opportunities for innovation across industries, making tech more accessible to everyone. One thing that really stood out to me was Dom's focus on balance. As tech continues to advance, the industry is moving away from the reckless, move fast and break things mentality that dominated Silicon Valley for years. Now there is a growing emphasis on responsibility, whether it's about ethical considerations, environmental impacts, or user trust. The industry is maturing, and that's a good thing. But perhaps the most important takeaway from his keynote was this: real progress doesn't happen in giant leaps. It happens incrementally, in small, almost unnoticed steps. Whether it's improving code, fostering open source collaboration, or addressing the skills gap, these quiet advancements are what will shape the future of technology. It's not about making headlines, it's about making a difference. I want to wrap up by sharing some insights from Dominic Williams' stay in Argentina, where he gave an interview to the ICP Hub. Argentina is fast becoming a hotspot for innovation, and Dom sees it as a key player in the global tech landscape. He shared his vision for how blockchain, specifically ICP, can empower local communities and governments by decentralizing critical applications. From Utopia, an ICP-based project for streamlining government operations, to AI advancements like on-chain KYC, Dom's painted an exciting picture of what the future holds for Argentina and for all of us. So, as we look ahead, I urge everyone in the ICP community and the broader tech ecosystem to keep pushing forward. There is immense potential in what we are building. It may not always be flashy, but it's real and it's happening. Let's stick together, contribute in our own ways, and decentralize the future of the internet and AI.